Did you know that one of the biggest fashion trends right now is inspired by your grandfather's wardrobe? That's right, Grandpacore is taking over, and it's proving that timeless style never truly fades. But how do you take this classic aesthetic and make it work in a modern, everyday outfit? Today, I'll show you exactly how to style Grandpa fashion in a way that looks fresh, effortless, and relevant for 2025. From casual weekend fits to elevated formal looks, I'll break it all down step by step. And don't worry, I'll make sure you don't end up looking like you just walked out of a 1950s time capsule. So if you're ready to embrace this timeless yet trendy aesthetic, let's dive in. Grandpa fashion isn't just about wearing old clothes. It's about embracing quality, sophistication, and effortless confidence. The key to making it work today is blending vintage aesthetics with modern fits and styling. Think of it as taking the best elements of old-school menswear and combining them with contemporary touches. This means well-tailored pieces, rich textures, and timeless accessories, but styled in a way that feels current, not outdated. Whether you're going for a casual, streetwear-inspired look or an elegant, formal outfit, there's a way to make Grandpacore your own. Let's start by breaking down the essential elements of this trend and how to style them in a modern way. First up, the knitwear game. A chunky wool cardigan or a fitted turtleneck sweater is a must-have in this aesthetic. But instead of wearing them in a traditional way, pair them with modern staples like slim-fit jeans or tailored trousers. A vintage-inspired blazer is another key piece, but the trick is to get the right fit. Go for a slightly relaxed, oversized cut, but pair it with sleek, minimalistic pieces to keep it balanced. Next, trousers. Forget skinny jeans. This trend is all about relaxed fits. Think pleated trousers, straight-leg wool pants, and high-waisted chinos for that classic yet refined look. But to modernize them, you can cuff the hems, pair them with a fitted t-shirt, or layer with a bomber jacket for contrast. If you want a casual yet stylish Grandpacore look, start with the foundation, a classic knit sweater or button-down shirt. Instead of pairing it with traditional dress pants, try it with dark wash denim or tapered chinos. Shoes make all the difference. Loafers, minimal sneakers, or suede boots will instantly give the outfit a modern feel. Accessories should be understated but impactful. Vintage-inspired glasses, a leather belt, or a classic watch. If you're going for a layered look, throw on a relaxed fit blazer or a Harrington jacket for that perfect mix of classic and contemporary. Want to add a little more personality? A neutral-toned grandpa vest over a crisp t-shirt is an unexpected but stylish touch. Now let's talk about elevating grandpa style for more formal occasions. The key here is keeping it refined and structured while maintaining the old money aesthetic. A double-breasted blazer in navy, charcoal, or brown is a must-have for this look. Pair it with tailored pleated trousers and a crisp white dress shirt for a polished yet effortless look. Footwear is essential. Opt for classic leather Oxfords or sleek monk strap shoes to complete the ensemble. But here's where you modernize it. Add a silk scarf instead of a tie or throw in a minimalist chain necklace for a subtle update. Another key trick, mix vintage and modern textures. A tweed blazer with a fitted black turtleneck instantly updates the classic silhouette. Don't be afraid to experiment with color palettes. Instead of the usual black or gray, try earthy tones like camel, deep green, or burgundy. It's all about balance, combining old-school elegance with modern tailoring and fresh details. A big part of this trend is in the details, and that's where accessories come in. A newsboy cap or a wool beret instantly adds that vintage charm. But if hats aren't your thing, a sleek leather messenger bag or a structured tote can bring a similar old-school aesthetic. Watches are another must-have. Opt for vintage-inspired leather straps or minimalist gold-toned timepieces. Socks? Yes, they matter. Patterned or textured wool socks can subtly enhance the look. For an extra touch of refinement, consider a pocket square or a pair of leather gloves in colder months. The secret is to choose classic accessories, but wear them in a modern, effortless way. Footwear makes or breaks the look, and the key is to find the right balance between old and new. Loafers, leather derbies, and suede Chelsea boots are your go-to choices for that polished, classic aesthetic. But if you want a modern twist, you can pair chunky sneakers with vintage-style trousers to create a cool contrast. A sleek pair of white minimalist sneakers can also work when combined with more structured grandpa-inspired pieces. If you're aiming for something more formal, double monk straps or brogue shoes will elevate any look. And of course, polished leather boots in black or deep brown are a timeless staple that ties everything together. The key takeaway here? Blend vintage footwear styles with modern outfit structures to achieve balance. Trends come and go, but class never goes out of style, and that's why Grandpacore has gained such momentum. It's about investing in quality over quantity and curating a wardrobe that will stand the test of time. The best part? It's adaptable. You can go full vintage or just add subtle elements to your modern outfits. If you've been looking for a way to elevate your wardrobe without chasing trends, this is the perfect style to explore. And now that you know the essential pieces and how to style them, let's talk about why Grandpacore is more than just a fashion movement. It's a lifestyle. Grandpacore isn't just about looking stylish. It's about embracing a mindset of timeless elegance and confidence. Unlike fast fashion, this trend prioritizes high-quality materials, thoughtful details, and longevity. It teaches us that less is more. A few well-chosen pieces can elevate your wardrobe for years. This approach also aligns with sustainability, as vintage and thrifted pieces are at the core of this aesthetic. Think about it. Your grandfather's wardrobe lasted decades because it was built on durable fabrics and classic designs. By following this philosophy, you not only look better but also make smarter fashion choices. And in a world where trends change every season, owning a wardrobe that never goes out of style is a true power move. The best part about this trend? It's incredibly versatile. You can adapt it to fit your unique taste and lifestyle. Love a casual vibe? Pair relaxed wool trousers with a fitted knit sweater and minimalist sneakers. Prefer a refined business casual look? Opt for a tweed blazer, well-fitted chinos, and a sleek pair of loafers. If you want a mix of modern and classic, try layering a structured wool overcoat over a hoodie and tailored pants. Accessories like a vintage watch or leather satchel can subtly reinforce the aesthetic. Don't be afraid to play with textures. Mix wool, corduroy, and cashmere for a rich, layered effect. By combining elements of old-school menswear with contemporary fits and styling, you create a look that feels both timeless and fresh. While Grandpacore is all about embracing vintage elegance, there are a few things to watch out for. The biggest mistake? Wearing oversized, ill-fitting clothes without intentional styling. This trend works best when classic pieces are well tailored to your frame. Another mistake is overdoing the vintage aesthetic, which can make you look outdated rather than stylish. Instead of dressing like you stepped out of a time machine, mix modern and vintage elements for balance. Avoid cheap fabrics. This style relies on quality materials that drape well and last long. And lastly, don't forget about grooming. Polished style needs a polished presentation. You don't need to spend a fortune to master this style. Thrifting is one of the best ways to build your Grandpacore wardrobe. Visit vintage shops, thrift stores, and online platforms like Depop, eBay, or Grailed to find unique, high-quality pieces. Look for timeless staples like Harris tweed blazers, wool cardigans, and high-waisted trousers. Pay attention to fabric quality. Natural fibers like wool, cashmere, and linen age beautifully. If you're on a budget, brands like Uniqlo, Mango, and Massimo Dutti offer affordable options with a vintage-inspired touch. Investing in just a few high-quality items can instantly elevate your entire wardrobe. The key is to focus on pieces that have structure, classic appeal, and versatile styling potential. The best way to keep this trend modern is by updating key elements while maintaining the vintage aesthetic. One trick is to mix relaxed silhouettes with fitted pieces, like pairing wide-leg wool pants with a slim-fit knit polo. Footwear can also change the game. Try a sleek pair of Chelsea boots instead of traditional dress shoes. Sneakers? Yes, but keep them minimal. White leather sneakers pair surprisingly well with Grandpacore pieces. Another modern adaptation is playing with streetwear layering, wearing an oversized blazer over a hoodie for contrast. Accessories should be functional yet stylish. A structured tote bag or sleek leather gloves can add a touch of refinement. It's about finding the right balance between heritage menswear and contemporary styling. Dressing well is about more than just fashion. It's about self-respect, confidence, and making a lasting impression. Grandpacore represents a return to classic menswear principles where fit, fabric, and styling matter. This style shows that you understand timeless aesthetics and value quality over trends. When you embrace this look, you project elegance, intelligence, and quiet confidence. And in a world where fast fashion dominates, wearing pieces that stand the test of time sets you apart. So if you want to dress in a way that commands respect and exudes effortless sophistication, Grandpacore is the answer. Now that you know how to style grandpa fashion in a modern way, it's time to start building your wardrobe. Which piece are you most excited to try? The classic wool overcoat, the structured blazer, or the refined knitwear? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're incorporating grandpacore into your own style. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more timeless style inspiration. For more in-depth styling tips, watch my previous video on Grandpa Style Essentials, 7 must-have pieces. You won't want to miss it. Thank you for watching, and remember, great style is timeless and confidence is the ultimate accessory. Until next time, stay sharp, stay stylish, and embrace the elegance of timeless fashion. The next trend might come and go, but grandpacore is here to stay. So whether you're wearing a tailored tweed jacket or a classic pair of wool trousers, know that you're making a statement. Let's bring back classic menswear with a modern twist, one outfit at a time. Until our next style deep dive, take care and keep leveling up your wardrobe. See you in the next video. Stay stylish and confident. Thanks for watching, and remember, elevated style never goes out of fashion.